Alright guys, so you should be done with the practice problems by now. Let's go over them. So take a look at that first one. We have 7 times g is equal to 56. And let's separate that into two parts. So 7 times g, to undo that multiplication, we're going to do some division. So we're going to divide both sides by g. And let's just change it up. Why don't I use the division sign since we didn't use that on the front. It does not matter. If you prefer a fraction bar, that's fine too. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So I'm left with g is equal to, and 56 divided by 7 is in fact 8. All right, let's check our answer. So we want to know, is 7 times g equal to 56 if g is equal to 8? So 7 times 8, does that give me 56? And sure enough, 7 times 8 is 56, and that's exactly what we were hoping for. 56 is equal to 56. All right, let's try the next example. That shows us m divided by 4 is equal to 9. Again, we're going to separate our two sides of the equation. So we want to undo division, and we undo division by multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by 4. When I multiply by 4, that undoes my division. I'm left with m is equal to 9 times 4 is 36. All right, let's check it. M divided by 4 is equal to 9. So if we were to replace m with 36, do we still get 9? And sure enough, 36 divided by 4 is 9, so 9 is equal to 9. We're in good shape. All right, let's try one more. Oh, I'm sorry, 2 more. All right, so again, we're going to split this into 2 parts. 3/4 times h is equal to 15. So we have a fraction, and we're going to use the multiplicative inverse. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So let's multiply both sides. Oops, we used blue last time. Let's multiply both sides by the reciprocal. So instead of 3 over 4, we want 4 over 3. We've just flip-flopped. 4 over 3 is 12. I'm sorry, 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. And 12 over 12 is just 1. I'm left with h. Whatever I did to one side, I have to do to the other. 15 times 4 over 3. Again, we can write 15 as a fraction if we put it over 1. And let's multiply straight across. 15 times 4, well, that's 60. 1 times 3 is 3. And now I'm going to divide. 60 divided by 3 is 20. Yes, you could have simplified on the diagonal if you wanted to, but I know some of you aren't comfortable with that, so that's why I chose to do it this way. All right. So 3 over 4 times h is equal to 15. So we want to know, is 3 over 4 times 20, is that equal to 15? And again, we'll do the same thing. We can put this over 1. 3 times 20 is 60, divided by 4 times 1 is 4. Does that equal 15? And if you're not sure on these times tables, or this division here, think minutes. 60 minutes divided into 4 parts, that's 15 minutes. So 15 is equal to 15, and we're in good shape. All right, last but not least. Again, just like with addition and subtraction, it does not matter if the variable is on the right or if it's on the left, though it is proper to write our answer with the variable on the left. So here I notice I have 3/5 times y. Again, I'm going to use the multiplicative inverse. I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply by 5 over 3. And whatever I do to one side, I must do to the other. All right. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 over 15 is just 1, so I'm left with y. Over here, it may be helpful to stick that 1 underneath the 12. 5 times 12 is 60, and 3 times 1 is 3. When I divide, I get y is equal to, oh look at that, 20 again. That's a coincidence. All right, and again, it's just proper to write it the other way around. So y is equal to 20. Let's check. 12 is equal to 3 over 5 times y. We want to know, is 12 equal to 3 over 5 times 20? All right, same deal. We want to know, is 12 going to be equal to this? So we can write it over 1. 3 times 20 is 60, divided by 5. 12 is going to be equal to 12. All right, guys, that's it. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and I'll be right over.